Guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a video today with my Delectable Dishes series, and I wanted to do a Zuppa Toscana because I always make it for work as a nurse, and I always have it for like 2 to 3 days, and I'm good to go for my lunch. Ignore my tongue, I ate some chips before. I started just to tide me over before I cook. But if you guys want to see how I make the Zuppa Toscana, like the one at Olive Garden, but with chicken sausage instead of bacon and instead of Italian sausage, make sure you keep on watching, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this series. Let's get into the video. The ingredients that you need to make it. It's a pretty simple dish. You don't need that many things. We have our potatoes here. I like to do the yellow potatoes just because I feel like they have a better consistency when I cook them. I have this new sausage that I haven't tried before, but it's a Cajun chicken sausage. I like my Italian sausage to be spicy, but I don't eat pork or beef anymore, so I have this chicken one. I have some garlic, onion, kale, because that makes it one of the best parts, heavy whipping cream, and then I also have chicken broth. I also use water just to help with my little broth, but this is what we need to start with, and let's get started with washing our hands, and then we'll get into the food. All of my chicken sausage is pretty much torn apart. I also have this little like meat grinder thing. Let's see, this that I also use, and that kind of helps to mash the meat when I'm cooking it. Once it gets hot, it's a lot easier to mash, but I feel like that would be good for now. I'm now gonna move on to cutting my onion and pressing my garlic, and then we'll work on the potatoes and then the broth, and we'll literally be done. So look. Garlic in my meals, but all I did was flatten out this garlic, and I used this presser for the first time. That's supposed to make it easier to get like minced garlic, and it was kind of tough. I'm sitting here shaking right now, but we got the garlic. That's what matters. Next up, I'm going to get a bowl or a pot, and I'm going to end up turning the burner on, and I'm going to also put a little bit of oil inside just so I can get it all ready for the sausage. Once it's all nice and hot, I just pour the sausage on in there, and then I work on cooking the sausage. I also sometimes mash it up too, like I showed you with the masher that I was going to use before, so that will always work. And then now I'm going to move on seasoning the sausage. So let's go through all of the seasonings that I use, which would be some black peppercorn. I just like to season my food. I know that sometimes there's seasonings in the sausage, but no, I want to add my own. Add some garlic powder, and I think next I'm going to add some basil because that's literally all that I ever do. I have pepper, garlic, basil, all Alright, once the sausage is how I like it, I always set it to the side because you're going to use the same pot for the rest of your soup, which is why I really like to make this soup. It's a one pot wonder. Yeah, no, we're not doing any extra stuff. I just add a little bit of more olive oil in there and I add my onion. There's garlic in the bottom there, but I'm just going to season my onions with the same seasonings I did before: salt, pepper, garlic, basil, and I think that should pretty much be it for my onions, and I wait till they just sear down and they like are a little bit translucent. You know what the chefs be saying. Oh, and then I add Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute because that is just a staple, and some more red pepper flakes. Of heavy whipping cream, you can use whatever heavy whipping cream that you want. All of these recipes you just pick I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video of me making Zuppa Toscana. Let me know if you guys decide to make it at your home or for lunch for you when you go to work. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.